Muchukisi Kenyoro Farmers Cooperative Society eyurange na Market Plaza Goshe na buku banyora opposite Shell Petrol Station eyukali ya Karukiru Falcon Petrol Station. Bono niko bachakira urusagi rwa borondorogia imiyechi nsamo chiri cha Jogo ange na Jogo Primary Wigo na buku bakira Eshimi Enokem Agrovet, one harvest at a time.
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Bwumugusi Umurubuli ukubwatia nigo kurigereriwa nebigori byonsi.
Mamanyi ekero tugutara imena iskoyero gongorongsi tusangana ukwana amange na sirkulero nakolete wika imeya suneka iyere meya bunge ya bunchari enga kina mutarire omuremyo yomo kuna sirkulero nato ukwana yoro yobulimi nigo tugocho ukwanira chinchira chiekerero chiachire echigokonya aye goturagia ebichuchu byao enga kiyakare nigo twari kubekere engoko yararira magena yaturagia ebichuchu kuna kare goturagia ebichuchu biri amagena narotabeke nigo kubeka magena gochakira 10 paka 15 ende ikana ne itininga kole ndento kwa chinchera chekerero echiachire echichikoro isigwa na ande chinchera chekerero etuma itenga konyora nigo chikuru chinse chesiko kuni twamuyarire omumanyo yomo kugiga sesemo yasuneka oyo kwero seria chi machine cyo guturagia emagena elikuwa elikuruga asesemo ya usi achiko totebia na kichikoro isigwa chiabweka na chiri chikuru chinse chesiko ende tonya kwa konyora ebichuchu ende obole mibwoito bwasuka mosio igoto tubwatie asemetando yetu ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, asensema ya YouTube Ndizi TV News, na wao tumera SMS wetrese na mbiyo erasa screen ya ugabo kama sikuwa bakotobwatia ase website yetu na www.ndizitv.net. Iko no ase omumanyo itone royo iga tigara tebia ga iganga itole na ende yare ningo na kiona
yasa
kora tebia ga ningo na ende ga iganga itole
asamari tangoro kupita Nyakundi, managing director of Gega Feeds and Hatcheries Limited, CEO of Gega Feeds and Hatcheries Limited. Same. So there are to achira kwanera about the incubators chin incubator na chitokorosi to aturage uchuchu amona yanda mangi aigo toro muchesuneka Ajib Hotel next to Ajib Hotel eduke korukuna Gega Feeds and Hatcheries Limited. Yes.
Eko mstikere kyogo chaka korosi achi incubator ekero kolenga nubu manyibwa nekero ngo mango ligereria incubator chinyenge nigo chikorusu wa chinse chisiko.
Yes.
Njiri kutoka Kenya kaiga ayo iko ruseti omanyo bakaranga ntache ndaro siganyise go beka gocha na beko be incubator.
Initially kana chagete about the koros incubator na chagete kuturage bichuchu. In short kwanze na kaunile bichuchu amo kamba naro kaunile bichuchu ukambo yekala ariko ni bichuchu ongainere nebe improved kenyeji lakini bya renge bya chicockerels biri bitari gukina. So he supplied to me almost 6,000 chicks. I sold to the customers karana baoneria in one way or the other after 1 month because yalenga at a span of 1 month karana baoneria na kora ebichuchu biri bikanga ukina customer chikachanga bring a complaints karabata akoleta complaints nga sinyuna kingo kora because I've already taken the profit na moiro read the majority of the money because na rekonyo profit ya 30 shillings per chick. So ekarona na nyoro bokonguboli customer chiko cha complain mundaru asabete loan nga chaka koriga solution binango refund these clients, most of them they were chaka to bambani fund the money which was difficult because I want to sustain ngatabaga ndongo kora wikamba bichu bichuchu improved kenyeji. That's when I came to understand their breeds improved kenyeji. Ngagenda online go look for how I can get the improved kenyeji chicks. Kana chiko liginga nyara kilimo incubators. Kilimo incubators ngo supply balenge the incubators na chicks. nga contact the sales manager ukuru Kariuki. Kariuki akanipatia hizo vifaranga, nikaanza kusupply those farmers. As a way of doing that, kuna clients walianza kuitisha incubators. I didn't even have an idea hichi incubator ningi. Kuona karabata akagoitisha chini incubator, Kariuki akataka conductor na nani commission. In 1 week, 1, 2 weeks, 3 months, 3 months, 4 months, chini incubator chichi kachaka kusalika. Agatoma engineer cha Korosi. Engineer kare ali cha Korosi. Yeah. Imported. Chini incubator chichi kachaka kusalika. Atome engineer cha Korosi. Nikaanza kucopy from there. Kuligere libuno ya Korosi. Ku repair. One day nika develop interest about making it because Mbwate market I rely on kilimo incubators. Nanyora that small profit. Now ngachaka wake sabu ko buy the spares na kugore incubator, ko buy spares na wa sample it will be cheaper. So I dismantled one incubator nganyero sibuna ya ring. That's when I came to develop an idea like I can make an incubator and I hatch for myself, then ngachaka Korosi incubator like that.
Igobuna kwa dismantle te ne liye chizo kisko ukanye ko dismantle mwacho muri no akanye tagora kera yitagora aka ukarengera linga bono tigancha kikunyira ni ebivuna yarenge so kwa yeba kwanyira no yabavuna yarenge ukanyara kunyara Korosi ukacha Korosi ya ntanga ni ko irange jani no kwa ya ntanga ni ukabeka magana ndo kanyara bei.
Okay, bona ile ntukia garete nganyero si machine hiyo. In fact it was an idea. Na okay, I did not develop that idea only that yarenge out of wenda mwamu yabantu. Na supply the customer gete incubator. Kana mo supply that incubator bagatebere fake. Kana batebere fake akangira na yagande modify money after one month. That's when nilikuja nikaweka mayai hiyo incubator ikahatch very best. Yalenga incubator ya magana 528 just like this. Ya magana 528. Ngabeka magana 528 full capacity, then nikasokia ebichuchu 480. So I got that money and I refunded the customer. And then ngaikara sanse ngachaka kwenye dismantle because I own it fully. Ngaikara sanse ngaji dismantle and nganyarosi.
Kwanyerosi okanyora ya bei. Ikahacha magana ekahacha ya magana aya ubono. Kwa sose chiro tagia tukere raisi no nyo Korosi kwende. Tora tebia nga obo to bautimbo rigororo. We incubator erote isiko incubator ya Korosi na kare ngati kare. Tora ya rugo chaka no erende technology ya konya tera endane. Chin incubator changi chaka.
Yes.
Kwa to resera ngo to bauti bora siko ndecho nane tiyo koregas.
Okay. Chin incubator nto what traditional incubators and nto what chin incubator chire modern. Initially eto what chin incubator pale Korosi through the boards whereby montale Korosi nto bune kawati and then to come up with an idea to tumeka chibao Korosi just like the other this incubator. Yes, incubator eba tumeka body, this is a board alafu wakatumeka the bulb as a source of humidity tokamana kutumeka this is the turning nechibao alafu ne mesh then tokamana kutumeka chi tray it's normal the plastic trays kubeka magana whereby digena na wali kubekuwa then kwabanga as an incubator imega so just like this so that is how this is the turning motor yenere kuruku turning motor so magana na bago chia turning it can turn it turn because of the automatic system igaigebo atete so tukiweka kwa power itafanya nini ita turn automatically. Yes, so that is how it is.
Igo tutebenga enchire ya kare na irongo kore ya lengi kore no kutura ya lenga magenons.
No, incubator jana kutura magenons. Incubation is a process whereby there are a lot of factors chiko gera amagena turagi start turagi. For example, usakanya raliga na buneli and what the sharp end naga accelerate thick So the sharp end nere corrugated towards downwards ekaro kubanga magena say incubator lakini soko nyore the farmer obangire opposite way because this is where the airspace is gorogano airspace here ono gano ligena likwa yanera wone soko beka opposite way ligena ndiko yana so in that way ndigo turagi another thing amagena agoturagi abona tugutwara the lifespan of 2 to 3 days so ligena lia called after 4 days and above was 5 days ndigo turagi
ngoko nyara magena lyo muremi agachitenga koro mutie nyuma uchobekere chingoko igawa bitago
ayezi haje lezo wako nyaro ngokikobeka magena kwacha kuchikonyebekera kwalira yande uchikonyebekera yaturage magena abere watawe ngoka yande turi guturage magena buya no it's because of the overstaying of the egg
igo yana buya akigo igo ne estima tu montare ko kasa socket ya kolegas
oise kolegere everything to improvise it we have not imported anything other than the controller the humidity sensor the rest of the things ne motor the rest of the things ne bia local but the hatching rate ya machine ye to kwenye compare ne hatching rate ya modern machines so that's why it's improved ziko improved in technology yes so even the tray ye kobugoli 30 eggs ya modern ne kobugoli 88 eggs
88 tray
yes one tray 88 eggs
was when ora magana ya kote within 3 days na beko hacha magana itu tebe na 8
yeah provided that magana ya fertilized magana tara crack because we have internal cracking na physical cracking kuna magana go crack embe go soime so magana ta kunya rokoraki tago turagi yes so there are a lot of factors to consider echingu to chukata yabaremi kuna babana tago kora egara magana bakoraki aturagi bia such that imbago give complaint to the farmer
bura bono iga ne yakare bono ne rari modern
yes
eli bono imported imported tutara cheyao kuna tebiango tetendore na oboto mutimbo borega
okay what we do as a machine imported in most cases mbali kobeka controller yekorokunga XM18D this is original controller and the controller as an incubator a controller nere machine so in most cases if you see a controller bekire are different so what a controller ya full hatcher ndo what XM18D and other controllers so ndo what intelligent mode controller so all those controllers to kwenye compare na this controller this one is the best na roro chentumekete in this incubator na ngutumeka in the small incubator na ngutumeka in the medium incubator and the big incubators because yega controller yengo hatcher the best and the controller na everything in the incubator so in imported incubator akonya in most cases eba komeka cheat controller chire fake let me call them fake but they're not fake but let me call them fake because they hatch once the first hatching it can perform the best the second hatching the more you hatch the more it reduces the hatching rate bono imported machine ye tumeka aluminium they have used aluminium a body aluminium sheet and then so ekare gotumeka aluminium totave in case of the power ya chire morero chire teliko kirio morero goseriberera ase incubator time for a long time after 10 minutes obona takonye backup the moment you after 10 minutes magana kubire so it needs somebody otoka say incubator now and then such that magakogenda wakoraki wabeke backup usotu automatic backup we always recommend akarango le farmer this imported incubator ngochi na motebinga to install the solar backup na ndiri automatic such that to chiko inka charges kuna petrol no chiko na petrol liko nya ukina lioka so konya robo ni wabereki watu rate wabere very expensive another thing chini incubator cha na karato chirosi na ba imported karango import I only import the body alafu nacha wakora sampled here at Sudeka. This is the workshop, this is where we do our things and everything. So na according to the danger I usually use ngo to make a spares chiri expensive and cheap quality such that we get good results. Such that the customer, because we give a warranty a 1 year, customer take a complaint back at the same time more referrals. Yes.
Gobono totebenga intubetega nyike report na roba ya challenges chae compared to na una intubete ndio totebenga kusema vitu vingi bionse. Wote 100% guaranteed na no kwa hacha magana in the next 5 years. Gase imported which increase the humidity. Unapata like initially after kwa bekire tata for example kwa setili magana kwa bekire the initial temperature everyone talk about the standard temperature one talk about 37.8 and the humidity everyone talk about 60. So by the time uko beka incubate yo kwa nyigore temperature na weko end up to 45. Usalia magana whereby the temperature is supposed to be 37.8. The moment kwenye weka kwenye ya tira kwa 23 ase acha akira kwa 27 bakike 37.8 ebona tako tenene rororo, lakini the moment eko ganda kuchumutu even if it's the first day and the first and the second day yeko correct ego change kora gwatira gabutura ganda somo mukaki gutukwirana sensemo ya kabiri nochikwenda gototebia na gutumanya iguru yini kibete yebono orosya igeka omunyene ngona asomo asomo yebeta seni yeto kendize tibini gotogenda usanga omurubiri bobole minobonda asiri kulya atokwa na iguru yeti machine chekero chiachiri ekyo oyo mintakorosi kurugaiga sensemo ya Bonchari imeyasuneka ngoko tubwate SMS yetu ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, asensema ya YouTube Ndizi TV News, na wewe unatumia SMS kwa sena hiyo ya ngabo kama soko la kutubwate website yetu www.ndizitv.net. Tena na sumu makakigo ngwenda na tole.
Naika form 2 kibese kigamba ngo erakire ngo burakire amade mwantu ngo kora form 2 baguruke kesi ngakarore naika form 2 kirasi komirende agora matemu ayo ngaita ngaira nangaberaka egera naberaka ngabaka kero kende ngenda nkanywa abantu bali bawujweri kibaho nanje garajweri ngaraba songa tiganda jweri kibaho kinenje nyegere basogera bagenderete nganyora ndamanya lakini yabati gacheka bakatabona ngo lika baru bwali korona ritaya na chaka ekere na agirtu kwa heli na etu binte binge sana ngai wiwi paru ngai wi ambe chiko ngai wa makombe ne umanga boli binte ine bya kirende ngarenge na wi binte bi ndiko jakubu imwo ko enda muwondo no wonder oyo wotira kutambele kwa gimaine ense monenu suwe kachisebere chenu suzina bekachisebere nenu sema goroba okora to watambe na chemel manyi ekara to kutara abalemi au imeyoro gongoro ausi to sangana ukwana amange na siku lero ningo tora sensemo ya sunika imeya Bonchari asina mutaire omulemi yo mukorinde oromo manyi bokorosi kimachini kirikiganire ase ogoturagia amage na gosogoturagia ebichuchu endeli ko gandralia obolemi bwao ayuno mulemi bwe chingoko igona siku lero na tuarorire otote biringa chi type nchiro chokorosi ya kimachine chiga tuarorire nero ekoba imported nero yege koro na boigo nero eya korosi na bona gane gatura sanga aseria korosi atabina ki materials ke cha gutumia anga yago chirusi na bona ya rusi tekangara yeke yo korosi ya kimachine unechi na boigo asabare ndi babere bako materia ko bote semitanda ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asensema YouTube Ndizi TV News na bote sikoba gutumira SMS gotera sena mbeyo era screen ya ugabo tusukoba gotobwate ase website yetu www.ndizitv.net ikubona ase umumanyeto nere machine eri kwabere gokorosi
yes
ni machine yiga nero kwatebire ngana bebye kaine eri ko ba imported
yes
utebya ngona ke korosi
okay machine ye kuneyiga ne yamagana 352 atoko chitwarosi toko tumeka de board ya MDF gato tumeka MDF will comply because of the trigo swell wango but as chin kibeta cheito ndorigo tiga nga bona twarosire twatumekire comply what we do botumeka tulichi ankle line the ankle line se chitoko beka twatumeka lift machine era to tumeka koraki gosibe machine such that ya kutonye complete ya smart like this So therefore kali to arosile machine ye to according the body system to according to mana ko rosile ndego kunga incubation centers echichirechi chichumechi chichumeye that's why tokobeke kwerende tokobeka magena like this to aleta iga to abeka magena a tray yamo ekobugole magana 88 whereby this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 times 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 ekobugole magana 88 so as a machine here tata for example for this setters ine ya magana 176 June 88 times 2 then kama nakobeka sa incubator tata for example incubator yema after kwa wekira sa incubator then to wate ndokoro kunga incubation controller inere incubator controller kama nagotumeka this the incubator motor inere gozungusha magana to bring about what you call automatic turning then to wate ndokoro kunga fan nere so this fan eko cool the motor ya cool the heat all the temperature ime and then ndobwata heater ndobwata air heater na water heater eko maintain the humidity the air heater eko maintain the temperature within the incubator alafu ndobwata exhaust fan and the rest those are the things we go to make us the imported machine na we go to make us the local assembled machine. After we guarantee the hatching rate because of the best controller, the best humidity inside it, then the turning inakuanga mzuri because after 90 minutes we set tole automatic setting. After 90 minutes the machine will turn itself. Turukunya gotoka or rochikunya gotania magana egotani yoko automatically, and then the fan and the ventilation we use toko chutoa tumeka toko go ventilate tole our machines very well whereby tole to this side and the other side then karata tukobeka automatic water system bado na tukobeka and everything. So chi machine tito to chiro sibuya in such a way that ekaro molemia bekire tatabo bekira magana ali abona takobeka amagana ara kuba ara makesana because we give fertilized eggs at the same time to give the machines to give warrant na backup generator aso muntu kule machine ya more than 500 eggs. Yes.
Bona iga ena bire ngweboria nga ekwende kwatebeko ekobo igokonya na kwanyiruke
controller
ngai ekuguru.
Yes, etokugura
na ro kwenda kwagura chi materials echi kana body yana bokugura no nyene kuru ase bakona kurinda se ebintu bunebi matendo bunebi ebintu bire sensitive ingomba bako binyora ndos.
Yeah. These things, yes, everything comes from China. Only that kuna quality the water quality get the best na ne quality na already fake. China produces everything, go produce bare in the very best and go produce bare in the very medium depending on the money you have. Echiwe sido bwate mobuko go bwate
ngabenge simene Samsung lakini ile kirasi kia onero na ro bwate ile kirasi kia ikeli 200
kabisa
ono kirasi kia ukeli 8
nero
yeko bwate
bona chi control nero ya magena amake ne control nero ya magena mange control ye yengutumeka from machine ya magena 176 which is this one kupake machine ya magana 10,000 plus. So a control ye very powerful. So nchekwenye tumeka such that agara the best hatching rate. So we are here to assist the farmer. We are not here to make profits. We are here to assist the farmer. At the same time, the price range each incubator cheito chirense compared to the others. Incubator incubator chinde chiribako ni for example at 60,000 at 50,000, so na go save almost 10,000.
Ase each machine echiga umateli veraliko ba mega no go correlate what bene body okoroseri.
Yes.
ya nyako yo mathi na bokobe konyore ya yire sengeje nebo board na benga buna oroko tenga buna ya aluminium nebo ate ngo sustain yani like ayezi chomeka te ko ya anda ke ine challenge ko se enchirere mo cross etai.
Okay, sometimes initially when I was starting this business chakayire because na manyetenga kina maitenga ulkobeka board as a board tulikobeka heater direct. So there's a sheet, a plain sheet huwa tunatumia tunaweka alafu ndio tunaweka heater. Yes, so nowadays tumeimprove in a way hiyo challenge atuipati, lakini initially kama nimeanza kutengeneza kama sijajua ile wakati nilikuwa naanzia nilikuwa napata hiyo shida. This is the sixth year in this industry. I'm doing well. Yes.
Anda kingira tebe igoro yoko kera litko maite every day bagotenga kera litko ko somore gente ke mo se ekende asole ndagerete ko gwachagete era sme to bautu bobo ko to irango ejanye yo oto bautu bwo kera gwachagete challenges kichiri kwa witera compared na bonoiga.
Okay, initially I started as a farmer kana na Sokoto University. I'm a graduate kana na Sokoto University na chete kimbote ambitions like I want to be rich. Yes. I didn't come to be employed, I came to employ people. So when I came outside here ngachaka this kind of business na tebatanga what I'll do maybe because my dream was ntuge chingoko na tuge chingoko lakini nganyore bichuchu kubora bichuchu it's very expensive. So I came up with an idea like nakina akole production na kombo chini kibeta isato cha 1056. I want somewhere kuna loan hizi microfinance ilikuwa inaitwa Tadaora Credits ikanipatia 100,000. Wakati nilipea 100,000 nikanunua mayai. Kununua mayai to buy those eggs 1,000 that's 60,000. By then amagena alikuwa ni 20,000. Ngabeka amagena chini kibeta chisato that is 60,000. 40,000 natumeka wakana wafanyikazi because chini kibeta chincha lenge in my premise. Ngawakana balende. Lakini due to the challenges amagena aliaka kuwa speak. But sikufa moyo. Kero nta kweto moyo ngaira na back na nenga ngarikichwa shinde from another microfinance neri endeke gonsuba wakana the interest ngabeka baba tebanga ngoba njana waka motikabire. So the second round I got good nikapata ifaranga 2,800. Thus I sold at 100 each nikapata 280,000. I serviced my loan nikaanzia kutoka hapo. Yes, so na target
positive ma kwandra onyo ba negative kango tukwagendera
na niko gendera
kwalo uko moyo no atenga goikobe tu aro moyo you must have hope.
Yes,
manya kugendera
uikote Chris. Yes,
kwa ikire gaiga ekero kwa rasko na reti kwa betu kwa konelia bali bali abatanga ni kwa konelia chini kibetaz andake korongo give barenge response in machine ru watu atene ngianda ke usini ya watu bochando yo na kwa ko take those nini maybe challenges bali wetera na kwa go take in
initially na kwenye oranga challenges the most challenges na nyoreta chini kibeta chini ngana ko was back then chiare ngo tole challenge yo tan magena konyora machine ke arule workshop ego tane magena bia ego gana ke go ika asomolemi after sometimes konyoranga terigo njoka bia. So I came nikaanza kusoma polepole nikajua venye nafanya. So nowadays I don't get any complaint from a client akonya waranga chini kibeta karaya rule from the workshop tachira se farmer na beko colleagues for even 4 to 5 years complain etali what
tena kuboli swali limo kiara ndo cheka abagirira itaba ndiro bate amaboyo amange.
Yes,
kwa somerta magana yokore mi woseni go kwenyolete kore ase sector yogore
nchenga nchitobolemi na ndi ninga nchobolemi lakini amangana ya masomo nche nsomerete ubwalimu as a undergraduate na masters ngabo mwalimu bono nche no mwalimu
nani mwalimu
yes
mwalimu omeremu
na lewa somi history theory high school na university ngo somi history of education yes
yoto tebe ngai no mwalimu tolirete na bolemi kolende okanyora sobuli
nganchi to bolemi so igo muntu nde bwensi wanje to bolemi ase muntu nde bwensi rata ko somi go sobulemi abo go chaga so biseito to somi okolega asili bago bantu bago kwa bahaido batabwate gasinde
igo idea yons pio owe kogera oro sin kibeta na ibie kwa chito ka ukakora research yao karo soma ukamanya korosia egento buneke
yes
obuya bwe binte ngoro byo
obuya bwe binte nabo ko chibesa nabo ko make abantu batie ko ba idol because you get that people are idol outside here in most youths alafu na another thing abantu people are crying for unemployment whereby we have employment here so and then agriculture naturally negento kia maana sana na negento kia konyera sa abantu so in general ko urge the youths na bari mibande bonsi bi bari gwete bakoro bolemi agara at least to ire gusiye ito to the next level to tike kolera na besenchio tuchibasa chirega yes
sana yo tora bwatera ga tora na somo ka keigo ko to kuchkwera na enda ase ensemelia storage kore machine bya oregasi tore bne bonchukanya magana eyaro stime ko monyene yo mwacho muri lenta to bwaterega gabu ende to kogenda ganya torenga amagana ine kene ngunchukari gosiga gotomaina gaiga ase miake isika ndero to chira usari muri
naboyo
wala ko bwate ase metandao ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital ase nsema ya YouTube Ndizi TV News na bana utona SMS watera sena mbiyo era screen ya ugabo ko kwa gotoboya ivundi ndio singa tsema ya seta senge tukandize TV anya gote tengo tare anonse sobate tugo yao ose anonse asona bongo ikasore ikaruwa tumira SMS tara sukuka kido
omubogani ofanisi resort Nyangongo numubogani uratimuke wegokie na gusangamo ni amatao wikabasani ime y'umubogani uyo nigoba bwate obukorri ubuya asaba kuri imbere mu babwata mazikanigoro n'amahariganyo y'obuzera cindagira bakoroisya nigo kire cintuntu muno asebo igoba bwate kirumucingiya ase oralire cindagire kiga mbabwate kinyumba cyo korara ecyo kire cingare kibwate bitande biya byarire buya nende cincanukirage mbabwate swimming pool asura ako pali buya kogendrete gusangamo nabalya bwanjete ime y'umubogani uyo nigoba bwate wifi TV ngiya asokwe gokya na kwene kibuna tuli gweterwa na kende gyonsi ekyo kiraso mtandao onye kubwate omuyigonde bwensi omusangerekano wasura bwenyangi mbabwata sura akorera umuyigoyo asobwo toherera ubwigoro mono mbabwate bwigetiyekiya asabana bakogosoreri na onye gwanjete massage aiganao tutarire rero eryubwero leranya onsi ayewiko munyene twakere simi usego talira chinsemo chito chemitandao Ufanisi Resort, a good place to be.
Twarenga ukwanira umurobere bobari nobanda enga kitotara go chasensemo ya simeka elikumanya buna eri nikubeta ekoroswa elikubeta ne machine ya kirekerere koroswa eligo konya guturagia amagena asobonde nandirimo tenga bune ngogo ko yebekere yara amagena 10 eras na ndoche onyorenga kiene na ndo bekere igandi moriuko konya amagena awo sibanya bichichi yawo na higa sindi na gutire ase machine yuri ito kwanira ko muchakano to kwana bune koroswa no munye tote binako yerosi kwende ngiga ase machine yo arosati aribye ko manyene tutate kwa na neke nengo kolire gas so ikire garro na ga ikoro ye disa enchuchu ya tiragiri bako bikini ngaiga okoro kinga ngo kolire gas ngo rosiare bichuchu na ngo kindega ya kwa tuko tese mekana ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital ase sama ya YouTube Ndizi TV News na wote mara SMS wote sana ndio era screen ya ugabo tumsiko kwa kutupatia ase wewe chitu na www.ndizitv.net na wote kwa kwa na gaida ikabega chitu ya tena ekene hiyo chuchu kema lakini wete ngoma nakora tebiamo
yes ono ase to ikiremoni wana ase incubator ya magana 2112 yes
ngana magana chiri bubera ko kuma
yes bona magana iyo na to begetema tukasoke bichuchu tosaga 1800 tukaonie binde tukatira reduce ones as a parent stock oroche bichuchu binde bya 2.5 months kabire 2.5 months so it's remaining 1.5 months bitaka kobeka magana tanyora magana tokobeka ase incubator ima bona ekara toko kore kwerende tote abali magana incubation tubwate tara walk machine. This is how you start. 1 year kilo. Then again tokolenda, it is about the settings. Initially tubwate the upper chin tukuna 37.8 na 60. Etineche chikoro kunga the standard settings. And then 26.7 the temperature ima. Ekara to close the doors. Temperature ya 26.7 ngure seri ke 37.8 there was standard temperature. The humidity area ya 60 igabunega sema ukina the humidity ya 72 will come down back to 60. So that's how it operates. About the timing, you wrong press the upward button like this, then you see the machine turning. Na wata inga machine ngotere atan sio miujiza.
Sasa producer yanene roche gabuna magana yako unege kwende koncho kana
yes. That is the automatic turning. It turns at an angle of 45 degrees. Like that. Normaliza kuturn to the right side. Now to the left side. Inaanza kuturn like that. No. Nitawaonyesha. I'm going to show you in some minutes. So to the other side you long press again. Alafu ina turn. So there are inside parameters. Hizo ni engineers wanajua peke yao. This one, F1 means it turns after 90 minutes. So every 90 minutes, machine inatani peke yake. So if I put 1 minute, nikiweka 1 minute, machine itakuwa inatani after 1 minute. So hizi ni timing turning minutes. So nikoweka 1 minute, iko turn after 1 minute. Nikoweka 0, haita turn completely. You get? So that is how it turns. So sometimes we use this incubator kwenye wakore kurende kwenye tumeka kune hacha na incubator. A hacha run for 3 days, incubator runs for 21 days. So this examination D.
What is the difference between a hacha and
an incubator? A hacha unapata like most incubators especially chilichile imported alabo tumeka chifani chiliche nyomba efani ile nyomba kwa nyara bani bega takati yali ya onchokanana so in one way or the other akere machine ya chakere ko hatch ebichuchu biko ganda guchaga se fan ekubutorana so they recommend you buy an incubator and an hatcher. What transfer the eggs because the hatcher is not turning when you transfer magana kurwa se incubator when you se hatcher, but this one a full hatcher. So okunya tumeka kuna incubator and a hatcher at the same time. So etokopeka chifan tumoto chifan chilichinke but chire for this machine kutumagete chifani sato tokete fane ya moga yende gatia yende muina chifani chisato echiko konye eko gara nabo kutumeke machine ye kune incubator and a hatcher tiko chiko go expense you buy another hatcher erere full hatcher but kutumagete machine ya exam 18 d akare kire 18 days nabo konye reduce oko minus the minutes the minutes from 90 of turning to 0 kuni chenjewe hatcher tetan yes pero bega tamagana only complete but ekaro bega tamagana in intervals you don't need to do that ogotiga ero to continuous na de hatch bakekore yes
ine leo una kwa tabauti ona si machine ga ine machine aerosol keyboard una tuara mulia akwatoroke
yes
ande karango ligereria ere nelele kegima kuna bolibondo goromoke ngomini ngwa tuwezo gukora serio muntu nonyene gateta marigene na bako morosa
natengeneza vizuri sana yes
bwana kora tebi yangu ase machine gabuna yokore gasiga andake buna kwara tumiki ya magana mange sana je sinchiro rokera magana mange de mo magana ra mange abore ga chane je siro ro sike gwato bia
actually asi machine ngorosi the more the machine bota magana mange the more eco hatch the best yeah because the regulation of temperature inakuanga steady yes
ande kwa yote bengo sokira magana manga twansi bora ere ngia se abantu bakore biashara byo kwa nini
for commercial this is the best and also the other 3000x, 5000x and above. So kuna machines mingi zenye mtu anaweza tumia for commercial. You can turn this into business.
Ukaweka magana chini zibere na 800 whatever.
Na bebe kama magana 2112. Basoka 1800. Yes.
Whatever magana 300 kachita sasa.
Yes.
Lakini
no, for this machine this is the first round. Yes. No, it's from before, but this one, this is a new farm. Yes. For example, ananipea one day ninafanya order ya the spares, thereafter tunafanya installation in another day, so in 3 days machine imekuwa, alafu tunampatia. Yes. Everything is ready.
Ana kinjara tebi gore yogo koso oborosho which machine chekerero ke kolengani wa muna na technology ya ndato kuchinda ni singa kitsira chabona iga.
You don't want to most of the youths and also the farmers outside there bali watakuwa kinjira yoko nyora maybe kipato chao cha kila siku. I advise them they venture in farming. Maybe incubators na very expensive to get bichuchu because you are selling tali incubator yoka tokon kon tole bichuchu kon tora magana ene ko wada chingoko nchutoko nali fertilized eggs oga ndo obekere chingoko chituragi anya ole bichuchu by the time bigo kina wikine omane gocha ko nyonyore chiba chuko gore incubator ene ko wada chiba chuko ni chuko gore incubator just come we sell you an incubator before we sell to you to what device na kyo kora egoro nyore onyare ko ba amo to ba mo so gore me. Yes.
Otra bena obole myogo no buja.
No buja.
Anda ke njora semye abasai bali skoga.
Abasai ngo batiye ko ba aido, batiye ko nya waka korondo, abande batiye ko gambo because once you gambo is just easy come easy go. You can get a lot of money but it will not help you. So invest your money hata kama ni pesa kidogo, invest kwa ukulima, invest kwa kuku, invest kwa mayai, invest kwa incubator, you will get good results. Yes. 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 All the spares in machine ga sene gotana kuna na batebia na chinganye weka 1 minute after 2 minutes ya tani tro chibone ko automatic turning. Yes, it's turning itself. Tali ditware ko nyotani mtutoka ya ikire ya tenene bona yoka. So therefore these trays echito go import, we import them every spare parts etoko import but those ones of good quality such that twanyora ngo muremi even toko nyora korosiga nechi toko tumeka nechi chumechi alafu ne body lakini the rest of the things etoko import the quality things korosi machine toni sample then after to assemble to akodre muremi nyora kanyola nyoga machi. Yes.
Wakere gente o import o grande vintebilo ya toko ya aseture.
Yes.
So bila bokonyora na each machine ile chota no rusiga iga. Asekera kwa turagira bichucho biga jase bire asin kubeta. Ana kemba bire vaccine ndio bire asin kubeta.
Yes. Chi vaccination to bwata initially to bwata vaccination the first vaccination ile marets to kwenye spray yase hacha kose twa vaccinate every chick ase chikwere ndio to injection to inject every chick kelikere kia at the old then to the second vaccination you ko kujukaso to kwenye you ko applied in eye drops wose to kelikere to wekera samachini. The next vaccination ni gumboro, another vaccination gumboro again, the second dose, then Newcastle second dose, then fowlpox na full typhoid. Yes.
Kwa tebiango watu waro raso guturagia ande machine na ikaro bekere chingo kama gena chiturai.
Ekaro toko bekere chingo kama gena na karto ko ka se machine era ko ya magana mande ne chinchine ne okotroge magana mande ne bichuchu bunera atake lakini chingoko nchibwate limit cho yo rabikira magana to ko ka magana more than 15 or 20 asengo kayemo lakini machine okotroge magana up to 5,000 to 10,000 so to expand your farming and maybe utata chingoko chinyinde to kunyara ngoko nyinde chikurara at the same time ngoko na ngonyore kurara rero na yemo utagete chirare rego seni sana so there is a challenge between chingoko ni incubator so incubator ne ndekia giachire na bantu abange banyarire gotebanga chingoko chikoro turagune incubator nga chiri chitogire ne estima na chimbe ngoko na ngoko dige na ndiri bekire na ngoko indetari gene lie ngoko yitusi ego chingoko so kingeli kuna na gocha kobekera ngoko kirarire gotiga isi mind yelinga ngoko ke yeturagire ne estima yeteringia aya yebona
antora advice omurimi ayo goturagire chingoko ase kera chikurarira comparing nekero gutumeke ya incubator
ekero gutumeke incubator nekero ko ralerie ko murimi yo ko maybe for example for the farmers for example for farmer bwata chingoko chingoko chinke matekero mundu na bwata needs ata tori tagata turageri chingoko chiri chiko ata chingoko chinke chiri chiko nyakoli ngaria na bago turageri ngoko lakini yo tagate bwata otate gokora for commercial na bago turageri incubator
kora tegango na kimo ndagwa ndako handle amagena akerara ase incubator gosamagara yawo chikobeko incubator
yes amagena yawo chikobeko ase incubator na bwata amachiko ara mange live na tubona tukubutwara live na tukubeka incubator live na lia ko 10 days mostly 7 days here and at most amagena are the best na amagena the first day to third day aliya gutura the best aboko basho gutwara shority na live na linguchire gutura giye alafu amagena atara crack musama Nita guturagi adia yegwiti airspace kige incubator yendo gya gatatu rigena dige deformed ndi guturagi rigena dige oversize ndi guturagi we have some specific sizes tubona tugutwara yirigena kama kirigena gya karaki ya bahati rigena litali fertilizer ndi guturagi wonto baganda to the market you tafute na mayai ukuje weka kwa incubator you expect to be hatch ya mira kota kaba mira kaba karako bigirigena Nigeria, and at the same time, amagana ya okore ndungoro. Amachina rito kube kansa. Amacha ya kumaintain the humidity within the incubator. So obeto beka mache, magana rita guturaga. So we kobe ka mache, make sure we fanning go correct, make sure the timing is there each and every time, then you will get the good results as incubation. Yes.
Abange ngote bali na ekara chiko hachi wa system which is actual challenges okonyara na bono okonyara na kichikura malioneza neken usele it's natural it's normal
ekara ngokikura malionyo there is the lack of calcium once we replace with that calcium malionyo na bakoraki akoirana ngoko kega sene bukina gutumekere any a lot of calcium so ekara kunye insufficient calcium okonyara chachakire kotochana that is the first thing chikoliana. The next thing konya chachakire go drop ama in the feathers, so whereby after some time you ukipatia calcium for those ones whatever natural calcium sio mchanga ile tokonya mchanga sio DCP, so therefore ugochia hiyo kwanyoje kwa replace ile kwanyoje kichanyoje that calcium needed konya ranga uri mibwagende ile ando babere bia
engana ya oyo mali wote mori to weta sini kandize TV amake advice ya utasabasai ngo igona bokore wote byanga ondora ga nigo chikora fereni kudeka ngayara konyole.
Thank you. Jengo matebinga mogendere ko watch this TV na at the same time monyare ko ngumera kuna Nyakundi the engineer of these incubators na ko ni the spare parts na ko repair spare parts na ko repair the incubators mora nyora so muchesuneka next to Ajib petrol station, that's where located na Automate workshop alafu na Kisi town ali next to the stadium hapo mafuta ya hash, that is the main but suneka na otokotoka na workshop wele ekerora atake incubator na bogo choro ntarere ose ongakere sina 0705 339549 ose 0799320016. Yes.
ngani mo dada kanyora omwaga chomo seli kibeta abuna kanyora iya mono sana nyakundi asogo tuanchira tu atareba ka efam ya oga sokora seli kibeta anti wakile ngambi ya mono sana na lego tenda kile ntoko taragara chiko kechi akile toboro kinga chiko kechi na wachiko kama gena na ndaira ne maiga seli kibeta iya mono sana
iya mono
ngono aso mwachomo ya weta seli kibeta kandi TV ni goto ko sanga ne mto nyakundi ojure expert yokoro seli kibeta ko kaiga aso mocho sedeka ime ya bonchari hasa bila gotoro kile kibeta bune go koregasi na bo go buna koro seli kibeta buko mwana igoto ganyo chiko import nyakundi wale gaiga buna lichi bulia olio korosia eni kibeta to wote ase metano ya Facebook Mbizi TV News digital ase sana YouTube Mbizi TV News na wote mara SMS utrase na mbele ya sasa ya ogabo na wote wote ase zetu na www.mbizitv.net wale wote ngotare ando sasa tuko yao ose ando si asumeta economic yao nakele sini wote ase na mbele ya sasa ya ogabo watu mara SMS ose na wote ase metandao ya Facebook na Mildred Momani ile tusange aso wamo na wote ngotare ile nayo seni abande kuna nyakundi asemire abande okinga kendeli tukone chisabuni cyarero bye bye.